apa dulu lah.
Itu no tuh bonekanya apa dia sih?
Yo, hello guys, welcome back with us. We are from Group 12. In this video, we will present about the 30 criminal acts. And before that, let me introduce our team. And my name is Timotheus Koloy.
My name Fenri Lalat. My name is Frendy Panto.
And let's go to the topic.
30 deals of criminal action of corruption and its grouping. On this occasion, we will discuss one of the most crucial issues faced by many countries including Indonesia, namely corruption. Corruption is a serious threat to develop and social and economic stability. This action not only hurt the state financially, but also undermine public trust in the government and public institutions. Therefore, a deep understanding of the types of corruption is essential to eradicate it effectively. In this presentation, we will review 30 offenses of criminal acts of corruption that have been identified and regulated in various laws and regulations. In addition, we will discuss the grouping of this offense to better understand the nature and modus operandi behind each act of corruption. 30 offenses or criminal acts of corruption from 13 articles in Law Number 31 of 2019 in Law Number 20 of 2001 include 1. It is against the law to enrich oneself and may harm state finance. 2. Abusing authority for self-interest and can harm state finance. 3. Bribing civil servant. 4. Rewarding civil servant for their position. 5. Public servant accepts bribes. 6. Civil servant receive gifts related to their position. 7. Bribing judge. 8. Bribing advocates. 9. Judge and advocates accepts bribes. 10. Public servant embezzles money and or allow embezzlement. 11. Public servant falsify books for administrative examinations. 12. Public servant tamper with evidence. 13. Public servant allow others to tamper with evidence. 15. Civil servant blackmail. 16. Civil servant blackmail other employees. 17. The contractor cheats. 18. The project supervisor allows cheating. 19. TNI or Polri partners cheat. 20. TNI or Polri partner supervisor allow fraudulent acts. 21. The TNI or Polri consignee allows fraudulent acts. 22. Public servants seize state land to the determined orders. 23. Public servants participate in the procurement they take care of. 24. Civil servants receive gratitudes to do not report to the KPK. 25. Obstruct the examination process. 26. The suspect did not give information about his wealth. 27. Banks that do not provide information to the suspect account. 28. Witness or expert who do not testify or give false statements. 29. The person holding the secret of office does not give information or give false information. And 30. 30. Witness who reveal the identity of the whistleblower.
And the next, the 30 offenses or criminal acts of corruption are grouped into 7, which are as follows. For the first, state financial losses. Individual and or groups carry out an activity that will harm the state, impact on state financial losses. An example of a criminal offense on state finances, an ASN takes the facilitation of his office for his own sake, namely taking a paper or using a printer for his own affairs. Second, bribery. Bribery events can take place if there is a relationship of interest between the bribe giver and the bribe recipient. The bribe giving party is a party who has a need in dealing with the bribe recipient. The recipient of the bribe has a necessary relationship with the bribe giver because the recipient of the bribe is the party who has the power to able to fulfill or not to fulfill for needs of the bribe giver. For example, the regent received a bribe fee of 2.6 billion from the director of PT Selaras Simpati Nusantara or SSN for a project in Musi Bayunasin. The third, embezzlement. Embezzlement committed by a person whose possession of goods is due to an employment relationship or because of a search or because of remuneration. For it, for example, an official changed a land deed owned by the government to his own name. And the fourth, blackmail. Extortion is a criminal act of corruption in the form of coercion by force of giving threats of violence in others as victims so that the person hands over something or holds money or rights of receivables. While in deception, the victim is moved to hand over something and so on. Seduction in the name of a false name, false dignity, deception, and a series of fabricated words. For example, someone who acts by pretending to be hit and asks for some responsibility in the form of money but does not want to be taken into the hospital.
Okay, next slide. 5. Cating. Cating is dishonesty or injustice in doing an action so that it can harm the interest of others, and this act is usually done for legal benefit by the maker. For example, a seller sends an ordered item not in accordance with the contract of purchase of goods. 6. Conflict of interest. In procurement, interest or conflict is like a situation that describes a state administrator who acts contrary to responsibility for personal gain by utilizing relations that are in reality money. For example, a village head who owns a business gets a COVID-19 social assistance can forward procurement he quickly appoint his own companies as a procurement partner with one basic for package of 50,000 baht. The market price is only to 50,000. 7. 7. Grade 20. Grade 20 is something received by a civil servant of state administrator from the gift of a person or institution or organization or group. Not all gratuities are declared false or forbidden, but some are neutral, acceptable from the giver. An example of gratification that is prohibited in KPK 2014 is the giving of gift contrary to the provision of the regulation. Example or gratification case the may be received by internal official activities. KPK 2014 are parties who are given souvenirs in official activities such as seminars, workshops, conversions, and training activities.